everyone, Random Randy here, and this is going to be a super quick impromptu yarn haul and tool haul from JoAnn Fabrics. First off, this giant bin right here. Hunter and I had actually gone to the Toys R Us in Tacoma, and most of the Toys R Us, maybe all of them across the country, are actually closing. So we got a lot of stuff there, but Toys R Us is in the same plaza as JoAnn's, so of course we had to stop at JoAnn's, and he decided that this would be awesome for a laundry basket. This was already marked down 50% off, and I had a 25% off total purchase coupon, including things that were on sale. So I'm going to be taking the tag off of this and putting this where they can reach it in their room so Killian can start learning to put his socks in the hamper. That. And most of the other stuff that I got is new yarn, if not new to me. It's totally new stuff. I've seen a few people talking about this and I wasn't going to get any, but then Hunter saw it and said, ooh. So, got some Lion Brand cupcake yarn and like mandala. It's a 3 or a light DK weight yarn, 150 grams, 590 yards per ball. This is the Sunny Day colorway. And the other one that I got is peas and carrots. And it is green and white and orange. It made me think very much of Ireland. Wasn't going to get these either, even though I looked at them, but this is essentially Bernat blanket yarn, but this is only a 5 weight instead of a 6, so it's a bulky instead of a super bulky, and each one of these cakes has 459 yards in it. And Hunter wants me to make him a bear with this one, which is, if I can find the thing, where's the thing? There it is. This one is just called Sprinkles. And he thought that Killian would like this one, which is similar, but also has the bright pop of yellow in it. And this one is called Playtime. So they're similar, but not quite the same. Those, in line with me getting a better hook for my loom, I also got one of the threaders that makes it a lot easier to wrap your pegs, which I know you can make it out of an old pen. I didn't feel like doing it. Also got one of the thin ergonomic hooks in a J, which is 6mm from Susan Bates, and got a set of DPNs in the size I generally use for my socks just to try it, and if nothing else, I'll have this to use when I'm doing my decreases if I'm doing top down. Other thing I got, I wasn't planning on getting these, but Hunter thought that they went well together. I don't know what I'm going to make with them, but I guess I'll have to figure something out. He's my color coordinator, my master consultant for color combinations. This is the Red Heart Super Saver Ombre in the Sea Coral colorway. It is a lot of different shades of pink. And this is Karen Jumbo in the Spicy Ombre. And I don't know if you'll be able to tell or not, but this has a few of the same shades of pink and coral in it, which I thought was pretty cool. So he has a good eye for putting color together. Just saying. Other one, since they actually have the Calm stripes from Red Heart Super Saver, when I went to JoAnn this time, they also had the Calm Fair Isle, which is a lot like the newspaper Fair Isle that I got last time, but in the Calm colorway. And I've had these before. I still have a partial ball, but it's not really enough for anything, so I got 2 of these. Cupcake Confetti. This is a Big Twist Sincerely, which is a JoAnn Fabrics store brand. And they call this premium acrylic. It's medium weight, but it is pretty good acrylic. And I also got another Big Twist Sincerely in the blue confetti. Got 2 of these. I really like speckly yarns. And the last thing that I got is a book I've been wanting for a while. Dumpling Cats. Super, super cute. Itty bitty, teeny tiny. Let me see if there's a page that shows them all so that I don't have to give away any of the actual pattern. Oh, there we go. So just to show you what these adorable teeny amigurumi kitty cats look like. Look at them. They're so stinking cute. And there's even a little box that you can make for them. And there's like food bowls and a bed. So cute. I'm super, super excited. And it just got really, really dark outside all of a sudden. I actually have a light on in here because it's almost nightfall, so the light's kind of dodgy, but yeah. So that, I know that was ultra hyper warp speed for me, but it's getting close to bedtime. I have a lot of toys that I need to hide, even though they've all been seen, so that I don't have to unpack every single one of them tomorrow. Or the rest of them tonight, because many of them have needed to be opened, according to my 3-year-old already. Super, super fun. But I just wanted to show you really quick what I got. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but today is Saturday on Memorial Day weekend. So today is actually today is the 26th of May. I don't know when I'm going to be putting this up, but yeah. Give me just a second, sweetie. So that is it for me, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.